Did you know that over 4.7 billion people are on the internet, and a staggering 50 million of them are earning money online? Yes, you heard it right. The digital world is not merely a platform for communication and entertainment. It's a massive global marketplace bustling with opportunities for anyone with a computer and a stable internet connection. The online realm is a goldmine, providing income opportunities for millions worldwide. From freelance gigs and remote jobs to digital entrepreneurship and e-commerce, the internet is chock full of ways to earn a living. And it's not just the tech-savvy who are cashing in. Individuals from all walks of life and all corners of the globe are leveraging the power of the internet to create diverse income streams. Intriguing, isn't it? Let's dive into how these people are making money online. Meet John, a freelance writer who turned his passion for words into a lucrative online career. John was once like many of us, entangled in the traditional 9-to-5 grind, feeling uninspired and restless. He yearned for something more, something that could ignite the spark of creativity within him. John had always loved to write. As a child, he was the one who penned magical stories, and as he grew older, his passion for writing only intensified. He was an artist of words, but his 9-to-5 job didn't allow him to pursue his true calling. One day, he decided to take the leap of faith. He quit his job and embarked on the uncertain path of freelance writing. The beginning was tough. There were times when he doubted his decision, times when the words didn't flow as freely as he'd hoped. But John was determined. He was ready to face the challenges that came his way. He started by building a strong portfolio, showcasing his writing skills across different genres. He then joined various freelance platforms, bidding on projects and networking with potential clients. It was a slow process, but John was patient. He knew that success wouldn't come overnight. Eventually, his hard work began to pay off. He started landing projects one after the other. His clients were impressed with his creativity and professionalism. Word of mouth spread, and John's reputation as a freelance writer began to grow. Today, John is a successful freelance writer, earning a comfortable income from his passion. His journey wasn't easy, but his determination and love for writing made it possible. He took control of his career, embraced his passion, and turned it into a profitable online venture. John's story shows that with talent and determination, you can turn your passion into profit online. It's all about taking that first step, facing the challenges head-on, and never giving up. So, are you ready to follow in John's footsteps and start your own online journey? Now let's look at Sarah, a digital entrepreneur who built a successful online business from scratch. Sarah's story is one of grit, determination, and the power of the digital world. Sarah had been working as a middle school teacher when she discovered her passion, handcrafted artisanal soaps. She started making soaps in her spare time, experimenting with different scents, colors, and natural ingredients. She gave them away to friends and family who raved about the quality. That's when Sarah realized she could turn her passion into a business. But, as we all know, starting a business is no easy task. Sarah faced several challenges in her entrepreneurial journey. She had to balance her full-time job with her growing business, learn the ropes of e-commerce, and deal with the skepticism of those around her. But Sarah was undeterred. She was determined to make her venture a success. She started her online store on a well-known e-commerce platform. She learned about digital marketing, SEO, and social media promotion to get her products in front of the right audience. She faced setbacks, yes. There were days when sales were low and doubts crept in. But Sarah didn't give up. She persisted, improved her products, worked on her marketing strategies, and gradually, her business started to grow. Sarah's journey was not an overnight success. It took her 2 years to quit her teaching job and focus on her online business full-time. Today, she runs a successful online store selling handcrafted soaps and skincare products, with customers from all over the world. Her business has grown to a team of 10 and continues to expand. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of the digital world. She took her passion, combined it with the right tools, and built a successful online business. Her journey is a reminder that challenges are part of the process, and overcoming them is what leads to success. Sarah's story shows that with the right idea and execution, you can build a successful online business. So, if you have a passion or a product that you believe in, take that leap of faith. The digital world is waiting for you. Let's not forget about Mike, a social media influencer earning a living through his online presence. Mike's journey began as a regular guy with a passion for fitness. He decided to share his journey with the world, not knowing that it would turn into a full-time career. Mike started with a simple Instagram account, posting daily workout routines and healthy meal ideas. He engaged with his audience, responding to each comment and making every follower feel special. It was his authenticity and consistency that drew people to his profile. His followers quickly multiplied, and he soon found himself in the spotlight. As his follower count grew, so did the opportunities. Brands started noticing Mike. They loved his content and the connection he had with his audience. They began to approach him, offering partnerships and sponsorships. This was how Mike began to monetize his online presence. But it wasn't just about the money for Mike. It was about sharing his journey and inspiring others. This passion shone through in every post, and his followers could see it. It's this authenticity that sets successful influencers apart from the rest. Mike also explored other platforms. He started a YouTube channel, sharing more detailed workouts and diet plans. He launched a website where he sells workout plans and fitness merchandise. He even started a podcast where he interviews other fitness enthusiasts and health experts. Influencers like Mike are a testament to the power of social media. They show us that it's not just about posting pictures or videos. It's about creating a genuine connection with your audience. It's about sharing your passion and inspiring others. And the best part, you can make money doing what you love. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers who can connect with their target audience. So, if you have a passion and the dedication to share it with the world, you too could become a social media influencer. Mike's story shows that social media isn't just for fun. It can be a powerful tool for generating income. Inspired by John, Sarah, and Mike, it's your turn now. The digital world is a vast expanse, teeming with opportunities for you to seize. There's a multitude of platforms where you can start earning money online, each with its unique advantages. Let's start with freelancing platforms. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr provide a marketplace where you can sell your skills. Whether you're a writer, a designer, a programmer, or a virtual assistant, these platforms connect you with clients who need your expertise. Setting up an account is straightforward and free. You create a profile, list your skills, and start bidding on projects. The potential income varies widely depending on your skills and experience. But with dedication and perseverance, you can earn a substantial income. If you're more entrepreneurial, consider starting an online business. Platforms such as Etsy for handmade goods, Amazon for retail, or Teachable for online courses provide a venue for your products or services. The initial setup may require more effort compared to freelancing, but the long-term income potential is often much higher. You're in control of your pricing, marketing, and growth. For those of you who are creative and love social media, becoming an influencer on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok could be your ticket to online income. By growing a substantial following, you can earn money through sponsored posts, ad revenue, or selling your own merchandise. The income potential here is immense, but it requires dedication, creativity, and authenticity to build a loyal audience. Lastly, for those who like to play the long game, investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies through online platforms can be a profitable venture. Keep in mind though, this requires a good understanding of the market and carries some risk. The internet is a goldmine of opportunities. The question is, are you ready to dig? From freelance gigs to online businesses to social media influencing, the internet offers countless ways to earn money. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've covered. We've journeyed through the realm of freelance writing, where your words translate to earnings. We've explored the bustling world of digital entrepreneurship, where your innovative ideas can fuel a lucrative online business. We've also delved into the influential sphere of social media, where your online presence can generate income. The internet is a vast, fertile field, ripe with opportunities for you to harvest. But remember, knowing is only half the battle. The key is to take action. So, Whether it's launching your blog, starting your online store, or building your social media empire, the time to start is now. Don't let the potential of the internet as a source of income pass you by. Share this video with someone who might find it useful. Remember, the first step to earning money online is taking action. So why wait? Start your online money-making journey today.